Hey there, and welcome back to Truehost Academy. Today we're diving into a topic that can transform the way you connect with your audience: email marketing for beginners. If you're ready to learn how to get started with email marketing the right way, you've come to the right place. Let's get started with the basics. Email marketing is a powerful tool that lets businesses communicate directly with their customers. By sending emails about products, services, or special offers, you can stay connected, build relationships, and boost sales. Step 1. Building your email list. The first thing you need is an email list. This is a group of people who have agreed to receive emails from you. But how do you build this list? Start by knowing your target audience, the people who are interested in what you offer. Offer something valuable to encourage signups. It could be a free guide, a discount, or any other special offer. Make sure to place sign-up forms on your website and share your offer on social media. And remember, always get permission before sending emails and respect their choice to unsubscribe. Step 2. Creating engaging email content. Now that you have your list, let's talk about the emails themselves. There are different types, like newsletters, promotional emails, and reminders. Craft catchy subject lines and pre-header text to grab attention. Make your content useful and enjoyable to read. Use images, good formatting, and include clear calls to action so your readers know what to do next. Step 3. Segmenting your email list. Segmenting means dividing your list into smaller groups based on factors like interests or past behavior. This helps you send more relevant messages. For example, send different offers to new subscribers and longtime customers. Personalize your emails for each group. Use the information you have to create messages that really resonate. This personal touch can lead to better engagement and results. Step 4. Automating your email campaigns. Automation can save you time and improve your results. Set up automated welcome sequences for new subscribers and create triggered emails based on actions like abandoned carts. Review your automated campaigns regularly. Check metrics like open rates and click-through rates to see what's working and what needs adjustment. Step 5. Measuring and optimizing results. To know how well your emails are performing, track key metrics. Open rates show how many people opened your email. Click-through rates show how many clicked on links, and conversions show how many took your desired action. Analyze your campaigns to find out what works best. Try A/B testing different elements, like subject lines, to see which ones perform better. Use this data to continuously refine and improve your strategy. And that's it. Starting with email marketing is a great way to grow your business. Build a strong email list, create engaging content, segment your audience, automate your campaigns, and measure your results. For more tips and guides, make sure to subscribe to Truehost Academy. Hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing!